Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Knowledge rules! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Juice!
Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Happy quarterly open. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? I'm Gucci. If you Gucci, we Gucci then. Cyper, let's go. Good morning, brother. Good afternoon to you. Yanthra, ready. Good morning. How we doing? Spanky. No, it was the switchover lag. Buzz. Yep. Yeah, I kind of thought about a way to improve that tomorrow when it happened. But slowly but surely, you know, by the time Kimba's back, then I'll finally have it dialed in, and then you know, you won't have to see me anymore. So big cheers. Good morning, brother. Good afternoon to you, Buzz. How are you? Mr. Larry, how are you? Good morning, Strat. Marvel, let's go. It's been a while, man. How are you? Insistent, Sammy. I saw Coke Zero saying juice, 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 Bugatti, Bugatti, Bugatti. Shout out to Maestro. That was fucking hilarious. Big cheers. Shout out to PSG. Let's go. Burgix. Yeah. If you're not in PSG, I don't know what you're doing. Damon. Let's go. Yeah, insistence. Classic. Glitch. How are you doing? Good morning. Jedi's Kirk. Mark. Let's go. Coke Zero. Oh, quit playing with me. He juicing. Let's go, brother. Thank you so much. If you were just blessed by a sub by your boy Coke Zero, thank the man in the chat. He juicing and he's sharing the love. Thank you, Coke. Thank you. You wouldn't have seen anything this morning when we were getting started? Maestro, let's go. You want me to chart anything? Jamaica, let's go. I did not skip you. Let's go. Wise with a Z. Hello. Let's go. Yeah. Throw Coke Zero. Nitrogen. JPX. Coke. Let's get it. He's sniping them. Damon. Nice one. Mattia. Yeah. Insulin Bench. Good morning. Jamaica, let's go. 19 Dircho. Skis Hex. Yo. Adrian Rust. Good morning, everybody. Quarterly open above the level that we were talking about. And quit playing with me. London does it again. Carachlan. Let's go. Tivinol. Pipeline. Good morning. Yeah. Shout out to KIMBA. AI. Zamil. Ready. Is that ready alt account? We got some readies in here. Let's go. Shout out to YouTube. Adam, good morning. Beetlejuice and Juicy Juice. It's Halloween season. It's Happyween. Dole Kong, you're juicing on the ADA? Let's go. Frank the Tank Frank the Tank. Fucking love that movie. Let's go. DNZ. I'm fucking delirious right now. Sorry, boys and girls. Just one of the collateral damages of having a 3-year-old and a 2-month-old and not sleeping at all. Plus, like, working a lot. Yo, you know what it is. Peter, Moon Farmer, Blaze Alec, Pedro. Let's go, Pedro Pimenta. Good morning. Kozar, let's get it. Let's get it. Juicy juice. Juicy juice. Yeah, shout outs to the whole team. Good morning. Shout outs to KIMBA if you're watching. Hope all is well. I'm sure it is. I'm sure it is knowing you, brother. Shout outs to CoinWise for these sick ass indicators. Exclamation dashboard for the schedule. Who was here for the talent show? We're going streaky, Yanthro. I know, dude. Movie's great. Happy 420. I'm Torque. Good morning. Sozo. How we doing? DJ. How's it going? Yeah. Okay. Well. The math is the math. Yep. Bad highs. Cleaned. These ones aren't. We got our quarterly open. It'll be interesting this morning. Alette, let's go. Maestro. Yeah, exclamation CoinWise. Shout outs to CoinWise. I don't know if they still have the deals going on, but try it. Exclamation CoinWise. Yeah, give them a shot. Adam Angeles. Yeah, if the AI is still showing it, then it probably is. Shout outs KIMBA AI. Shout outs to the team over at CoinWise. Y'all are some cool ass dudes. I'm loving the indicators. I can't wait to see what you guys have. I think they still have it, Buzz. I think they still have a little bit of them left. I know, dude. It's on the list. It was at the top of the list when we were like cooking it up last week, and then I got so busy that I haven't made my song yet. But I really want to do one too. I don't know if Husey's gonna do the mods talent show this week or not, because I haven't spoken with them about that. There's been, I guess, some well, I mean, I just haven't talked to anybody. I've been so fucking buried in work. But hopefully we'll have one soon. If not, no big deal. Let's all juice up, and I want to see you guys' submissions, because that's the real juice. I want you to see the Lions winning. I want to hear what you guys can do, and that's going to be juice. Azad, good morning. How are we? How are we doing? Yeah, I'll let. Bravo. That's the most important question, isn't it? Coke Zero. You juicing? He juicing. Bravo's juicing. Kachoy. Let's go. Good morning, Bravo. How are you doing? I think we juicing. Yeah, pretty nice going on right here. Yeah, possible area of resistance, but the highs are so bad. This move has got a lot of strength with it. I don't know. Do we got gaps on? got 20 minutes for market open. And we're gonna gap right up into here. So gap the finish of that gap. Probably close the other one. Let's be real. 118 is the line though. Yes, we do need some music. Shout outs to you. I have it all queued up, and you know, just as usual, we went all day the other day and didn't have anything. How's the level of music to microphone ratio? My baby wants a Bugatti. Revs, Latisse. It's okay, Damon? Let's go. Cheers to you, brother. You in any juicy things? It's working. Well, I guess that's a start. That's a start. Suppilation, let's go. JD and Coke for breakfast? Not exactly. Not exactly. Yeah, this this song's awesome. But it's not my song. It is not. I didn't make it, and it doesn't describe me. Hulk dead. This is Kimba. I finally doxed myself and decided to put myself on camera. Cheers. Yep, are you disappointed? You should be. Big cheers. He's away. He's away, yeah, Santa gag. Yeah, fake, I know. Yeah, Marvel. Yeah, this is week 4 of Mandalo in the mornings. Yep, you get some dad jokes, you get 0 music, you get some testnet TA, you get some cool indicators, and conspiracy theories. That's pretty much the long and the short of the past 4 weeks. Ace, I don't know. He said that he was probably going to at some point. I don't know. I haven't spoken with him much since a couple weeks actually, but I know a few of the other mods and admins have been speaking with him a little. Yeah. I know, it would be cool. I thought that he was going to come on FOMC just because it was, you know, such juice that we were anticipating for so long. But, you know, he's got his things going on. He was probably just too busy juicing the hell up on rate cuts, right? How are you this morning, Ace? You doing well? Shoutouts Calling Noob. Shoutouts Cyper. He won a golden ticket. He's stuck in there. Yeah, I did that and I turned into a blueberry. A blueberry. Violet, you're turning violet, Violet. Shit. The herb is strong this morning. Let's go for weed. That's beautiful. Shout out to Ace. Wonka's tyrant. Tyrannical. I'm digging Moon Farmer. That might be the best conspiracy theory yet. We've had some juicy ones. We need like a channel for it in Discord or a server or whatever. See, I told you I'm a boomer. I don't even fucking know what it's called. Let's get some TA. You got a gap above us. We'll probably gap up. You guys want prediction points for market open? People haven't been doing them that much. World tour to shake all the hands of the NFT holders. I can't wait for him to show up over here. I'm gonna take him surfing in my surf park. Honestly, I can't wait to get back over there. I thought I was gonna go this week, and it ain't happening. Jedi's Kirk, yeah, let's go. Dashboard, check it out. Got exchanges, tools, and stream schedule. Yeah, stay up to date. Get caught up. Exclamation YouTube. Check out the YouTube if you've been missing out. There's plenty of juice there. We've been charting tons of altcoins all month. We've been juicing on CPIs and FOMCs and all kinds of juice. Rate cuts and Biddy and S&P, Snipes. Yeah. Let's go, Damon. Let's get it. I like this song. It's a good playlist. Shout out to the creator of this playlist. Shout out to everybody that makes the music. Let's go, Damon. Yeah, he wants to do some prediction points. He just gave up the 1,000 points to say that. Big cheers. Big cheers, Damon. Curvies, how we doing? I'm just doing it 10 minutes because we're like 13 minutes out. Get your predictions in. If it's banned in your region, then definitely use a VPN for this. Wiztar, good morning, good day to you, Jazzkier. 118? Yeah, that's the line. That's the line. It's looking strong. E-Sox, how we doing? Yeah, 118. It's a little bit higher on CME. 119. That's decision time. Guys, this move is cool and all. And that's like a 10K move in less than a week. But that's decision time. What level is that? Oh, that was an old one. It needs to not be sweep color. Make it gray. That was just an important level, 116.8. 117. That's not the sweep. There it is. It's basically 118 on Coinbase. And then 118.6 was like some other like little baby sweep, 119.3. So, you know, if we come up here and like have like a strong push, maybe it comes and like cleans all those and then pulls back to like one, I don't know, maybe even just a year for a bullish retest. It's been doing that this whole move. Reclaiming levels. Even without like all of your additional stuff on here, it's clean. It's super, super clean with what's going on. Point of control, retest yesterday, and then back tested it again before we went. form these highs right under your sweep at an important level, and then just plow through it in London, like right out the open. Now we're doing it again. Those were coming. Those were ugly. That was ugly. You know, it's just a matter of time. This is not good either. And we keep reclaiming levels. We lost it. This consolidation, we lost it, come back under, failed auction, we held all of this. Your 886 or whatever. And then, you know, come back inside value. Hold that value area right here. Come back. Rotate through value. Retest the point of control. Continuation. Now we're in the next level of value. From before all of that dump to the pixel value area high. Does this whole level to level thing make sense? It's beautiful. Point of control, I mean, that's pretty much what we're sat at. That's where the first candle kind of stopped or paused. Stupid thing. Yeah, what do you think? We're gonna flip this? I think so. It looks like it. Multiple single prints again. Oh, is this Lee to Lee to Lee? That's the big value area from all-time highs before we lost it. And so this is the entire value area, point of control. And that box was for multiple levels of confluence. Yeah, so that is interesting, but the highs, all that liquidity above it, I don't think that that's the stopping point. It just may be like, it pulls back from here and retests like somewhere in our box. You know, maybe backtest this. It's been just kind of like stairs up. Not really. Pipeline. It's the first week of the month. And not even a full week. I think next week is juicier. But this like 120, almost even 120, 100 kind of range might be a nice place for a bullish retest. Like it or not, I mean, this is bullish. And there's not really anything other than like some black swan news that would change my mind. Yeah, you gotta lose levels, not continue to reclaim levels. Lee. That's right. This month is starting like a Bugatti. Yeah. This whole week started a Bugatti. Didn't it? Since Sunday? They're just like, fuck it, it's time. And piled in longs on Sunday. And then we just, well, the rest is history. Yeah, I think maybe we get a back test of like the 115 at this point if it pulls back before taking the high. But it's so clean. Like this, it even front ran like the true bullish retest. It held the single print. Get it big. Can't even fit it all in the screen. Feels good. Yeah, that was pretty nice right there. That was just a volume level. And then it was value area low. Keep on going. Held previous day value area high. Let's keep this party going. It's very, very clean. Jamaica and Math We Trust. Did Eric Trump say something? Monthly VWAP or VP. Yeah. Yeah, I like that, like 117, 118. Easy money Bugatti line? Yeah. October. Yeah, maybe it was just somebody in London was like, it's October, motherfuckers. Clip that one. It's October, motherfuckers. Send it. Let's see this 116.6 easy money Bugatti money line. Coke, is that adjusted or unadjusted? Because I tried to clean up some of my charts. There we go. This is the juice. Bitch, quit playing with me. I gotta see this. Won't even let us have it for RTH anyway. No. Yeah, I mean that's a clean level right there for sure. That was kind of like the whole value area that got lost reclaimed for the all-time high. Yeah. It's there for us now. Thank you, Coke. Yeah, I remember. I don't like usually mark all of his lines on mine. I used to. Not that I don't value them. Oh yeah, that's for the unadjusted or adjusted. I don't know. Yeah, there we go. Coke, do you remember was it based on fibs. Partially, anyways. ETH, it doesn't look as nice. I'm gonna leave it there. Fuck's sake. Oh yeah, Chauncey was saying like how I can get rid of that. And I wrote it down in one of my notebooks and then like forgot. Is that ding 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 ding? Souls up, Laura Gage. We juicing, clap clap, dip the tip, huh? Let's see. That's quite the gap again. Yeah, we didn't care if we had a bearish gap yesterday. This move was strong. And we opened inside the gap, didn't we? Or almost. Come on. Almost. Let's go. Yep. Open inside the gap. Again. This one open in the gap. We all see how that one played out. We're going 15 minutes just for the lulz. I'll clean this up for tomorrow, y'all, because it's starting to get kind of sloppy. This one needs to be in 15 minutes as well. We do not have good highs. That was a good high in market, the end of market open yesterday. Right into the close, they formed a good high. Sold off. It didn't mean anything to Bitcoin. It just held. For ES. Yeah, ding ding ding, 6660. Yeah, maybe we'll have some more Bugammas today. Bugamma stream is still being worked on, it looks like. Go to my trusty alternate Bugamma source. Yeah, it's getting updated also. No clarity. We're flying blind, Lions. We'll be alright. Let's go, Superman. Let's go, Stream Elements. How we doing? Yep. Oh, the channel points, huh? We didn't do any nerd out. FrezCon. We're gonna get down to business in a second, and you know, it's gonna be another short one. It's gonna be short streams for me all week, honestly. Yeah, I gotta get like things back in order. I didn't even know if I was gonna be able to do every single morning this week. There's it coming soon. It's gonna be potentially some days that I'm not able to do it in the morning. We got some juice coming for you tomorrow morning though, and then there's another talent show tomorrow afternoon, I think. Exclamation dashboard. Farmer John, he's fine, I'm sure. He's just working on his things. Yeah, I'm sure we'll hear from him soon. I know that the a few of the mods and admins or developers are speaking with him periodically. They haven't said otherwise. Yeah. CD Tank, let's go. Tigran, Ghosted. Yeah, what was it? Tesla truck, duffel bagged. Red. Red for our first 5-minute candle. Michelle Movies, welcome. Let's go. M Shell. Yeah, y'all had some good participation in this channel. Shout out Danny Bullat, let's go. He juicing. Thank you, Danny. Big cheers. Shout outs to you, brother. He juicing. If you were just blessed by Danny's generosity, thank your boy in the chat. He juicing every day. He's dropping subs. Coke Zero, Danny, they juicing. Still not playing Valorant, Amaranth maybe? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I'm not playing any games. Y'all must be juicing too hard if you got time for games. You, Shabasso, VVV Paz, Alette, V001. Thank you, Danny. Big cheers, brother. Do you want to see anything? You want to see anything in here? DC Doze. Let's go. Thank Danny, DC Doze. It wasn't for Valorant. Big cheers. Yeah, Maestro. Danny, what are you trading? You just in some biddy, or are you in some ETH or Soul? Coke, I think you want to see Aster again, don't you? Yeah, I need to just put that in the rotation until you guys like say otherwise, or until it hits $10 or until it rugs. Whichever comes first. Hype and BTC? Nice. Avant. Yeah. Disaster, Danny. Is it really Coke? Did it fucking tank? Oh no. I haven't checked it since yesterday. Oh. Well, I need to do that. Alright, I'm gonna look at Disaster first. That's a good... Danny, you're smart, dude. I didn't even... It got destroyed? Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of OI in there. Bounce off 1.5. Yeah, we said something about that level 2 at one point, but like the 166 was like interesting. For it to remain bullish. Okay, Aster. My keyboard is hella far away. Let's see this. Yeah, it looks like it's turning that into resistance, not into support. Yeah, that important level, it's like failed auctioning below it. That's not super Gucci, and that low is shit. Yikes. Not financial advice. Yeah, I need to hold this area. Where is important down here? Yeah, we already pulled this one, it looks like. Yeah, that's why we drew that box right there. I mean, it's kind of holding it. But all the way down to like 135. And if it gets down there, then, you know, those lows are really, really poor. That's weak. There's just nothing. I mean, there's no historical transacted or transactions happening. It's so new. Yeah, get back above, like, I mean, the 180 would be nice, but get back above like 175, like these highs, and it's going to be looking a lot better. At least it's holding this, like, you know, you got a lower low, lower high, higher low, lower high, lower low, higher high. So, I mean, at least it's holding that high currently. Right at our box. Yeah, you could call that maybe a bullish retest. I don't know.
Yeah, KIMBA in the building. Feeling like we made it.
It's not looking super hot, but it could do it. It could do it. Like, I'd like to see that, like the 171 to 175 area get flipped to support for a to potentially reclaim that 180 and that $2 range. Check the daily. Yeah, I'm sure the daily does not look super juicy. Yeah, I mean, yeah, all these fixed range lines, like when they are populating it, is so annoying. The daily definitely makes it look more clear, but we get a close back above the 166, I'm gonna be feeling a little bit better. The close yesterday down in that zone, I mean, it wicked it, I guess, but that low is concerning. There we go. Yeah, it looks like almost value area low retest. Oh, whoops. For some reason there was a low there, but that 175 was clearly a interesting level. Yeah, without any markings on the chart. Yeah, that either the 188 or the 185 looks pretty important of a level. Probably the 188 is more important. 189. Yeah, and then this 166. Those would be my two most important levels. Hold that, break that. Yeah, if we get a close down here, I think that 130 is coming. You know, it has that classic new shiny meme coin or whatever coin, even if it does something, structure. You know, it just gets hella juice and then hella pullback. Needs to hold it. The bottom around the 5th. Oh. Yeah, but airdrops, they usually juice into the airdrop. Lux Slayer. Yeah, ETH is pretty clean. The strength is kind of faded a little bit the past couple weeks. Aster. Danny. Oh my goodness. Your brilliance shines. And I'm saying that lovingly, dude. That's fucking hilarious. I wish I could come up with just brilliance like that. Gosh. I love it. Shoutouts to you, brother. Anatomy, shoutouts to you. Mix. We haven't looked at that one. Mix I'm not even gonna drop I mean, that's pretty good. What's that look like to you? That is fucking almost a textbook. I mean, if you do WEEX, it's way cleaner. Music! It's not perfect, but it's not bad either. I'm not going to keep it on this one, but if I can find it. Is the music playing for you? Yeah, for sure, Coke. I think 1.75 is the first step, and then 190 pretty much, 188, 190. This song's so funny. Shoutouts to these lyrics. Yeah, let's go, Cyper. I mean, these highs are bad. It had a strong move past few days. Just kind of you know, cleaning out some of the weekends. Yeah, good move this morning. That's all week. Even if that's a good high, this is all week. And above point of control, trying to get above VWAP. Pixel on the monthly VWAP. The monthly VWAP, it's fucking, the month is 14 hours young. Yeah. ETH had a strong pump. That was a gigantic single print. Yeah, it was like $100 single print. It's big. Initially, yeah, that's big. That was eyeballed. 2.5% single print. That's huge. S&P took a little snap. Latisse. Yeah, it seems like it's really hurting all the crypto, doesn't it? Yeah, we might get like a little single print, like retest or something. There's your anchor VWAP from the all-time high that we plowed through. You know, even if it came back to like the 42, I mean, 4260, that was kind of our level before. 4240 to 4260. And we had talked about that weeks ago. Just really where that single print was, up to like where that was. I think it was like here. That level. 4260. Just kept seeing that for a number of things. But it yeah. Maybe it was just based on this. Okay, a different playlist. I just wanted to hear that song because it was so funny. Kimba Dilda. I think that was the song, isn't it? You get music again? I just had to double check. RR just skyrocketed. Welcome to the chat, Air 3 only. Big cheers. Yeah, Manaka, let's go. Oh, you just wanted to see it together for shits and giggles? Yeah, it's been a while. Thanks for reminding me about it. It's cool to chart it. Is it getting old seeing me chart things the same way every time? You might be seeing a little bit behind the curtain for how I'm picking my levels versus, you know, Kimba's really clear about how he picks them most of the time, but sometimes he's just like, yeah, that's a daily level, and it might be a little bit slower for the new lines to know exactly how he's doing it. He can look at a chart and be like, that's it, that's gonna be the juice. We just gotta get to that point, right? Mickle, let's go. Let's go, Damon. Thank you. Big long today. Did you take one? ETH. It's holding above an important level. Even if you just say like 4250, 4230. And it's like doing the same thing Bitcoin is now. That was a really nice SR flip. Nicer than even than Bitcoin had through here. And then they did the exact same thing for the reclaim of value area. The bottom of the pink box is value area low for where we consolidated after that big nuke from 4,500. It's level to level. I didn't want to do that. And yesterday, that 41.10, 41.20 was equally important. Yeah, and somebody just fat fingered the hell out of it, and we plowed through everything. Maybe it trades up into this single print if it's going to pull back. And, you know, you get resistance, but the real test is going to be up here in the 44 area. Maybe like 44.20, but I think more appropriately like 44.30 to maybe like this naked point of control, 44.60 maybe. If we start getting closes in here, if it's going to be bearish, it needs to be like in and out or failed auction pretty quickly. If we start getting closes and just kind of like the grind that we've been getting, you know, that you got like a contracting wedge, a falling wedge on that second component yesterday. That's not really a bearish structure. You get something like that, you know, a little flag, it's gonna be going for this and probably the 4600. I don't know about the 47, but this is bad all the way from like here, 4730. It's weakness, 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 all the way down. The single print is far enough, like it could go to like even a single print fill and still reverse if it's quick. Yeah, I don't know. New future. Good morning, Gypsy. Shout out to you, brother. Let's go. Gypsy is like one of the most like, we got a lot of cool people here, but he's just like one of those personalities. It's kind of like the what you see from KIMBA sometimes, where it's just like super positive and high energy. Gypsy, it's been juice getting to know you, brother. Cheers. Yeah, big shout outs to the whole team that's working here at KIMBA TV. Let's go. But I just recently started getting to know him a little bit. Big cheers, dude. Dude, my energy is not electric. My enthusiasm is not there, visibly anyways, but I am very positive and I love working with all of the gang. Big cheers. And I love being here with all of my lions. Yeah. Cheers to you, brother. Let's get it. Let's all juice up. Dolcom, yeah, we have kids. That's a big part of it, I think. It's a change. Yeah, we have kids. That's why we're tired. It flips your perspective, but it also flips your fucking energy. I muster as much as I possibly can around the kids. Even after a couple years, you realize how short it's going to be. Yeah, it's a blessing for anybody that doesn't have any. Okay, so Soul, and then Hype for Danny. I don't want to do that. Oh, it's right there. It did juice once it came into that 210 area. Clean those bad highs and just get a close. It's looking nice. Yeah, 220. We need it. Yeah, don't fall back inside if it starts trading out. You don't want You know, kind of that 221 area, that was important. We've had the top of the box at like an important structural area from previous, and then it became a value area as well. So we don't want to lose if we like swing fail or fail auction up there. It might make it all the way up to the single print, and could still fall back inside, but you don't want it to swing fail if you're bullish. This is our big level. I could see a closeout here and a retest. Don't think that it's over if it like pulls back from there. You might still get the same thing that we got here. Oh, it's like, oh, we cleaned it. Oh, it's over. Swing fail, juice. And it was like a perfect bullish retest. You know, you go for that high instead of the other one, and it's like not even making it to the lower consolidation value area high, and just go. So it's more like structural than anything yesterday. And still it was that 205 level that we're talking about. I guess maybe 204.8 is more important than 205. But 205 was nice back here. And that's how we came up with it. It was based on that, I think. It might have been even further back. I'm not zooming all the way in to be like, well, this is what we did, but it was like way back a month ago. And you can like go all the way back here. Resistance. Yeah. Doesn't matter. We're $15 away from it now. It's juice. And we've talked about our targets up here. You turn 220 into support. You have 221 on the table. Clip that one, dude. Like, my sarcasm. Yeah, 220. Like 232 is important. Kind of that area. Single print really helps to define the area that needs to be traded through for us to start challenging that 240. But to me, the most important areas are the 220 right here, the 244 up here. We could trade in that range for a while if we get closes here. And just depends on biddy. On the opposite side, well, trading out and trading back in is not super Gucci, but we could still come back and bullish retest somewhere in the like 215 to 210 area. It'd be all right. You could even like clean some of these morning lows or yesterday lows and be okay, but that was a good low right here yesterday during market hours. Yeah, before power hour. Well, 1:30 New York, 12:30 New York, and that's a good low, or decent enough. And that 193, lose, div, retest, go. Reclaim to like 198. Pretty good. It's doing what it needs to. A lot of the charts are doing what they need to. Let's see hype. Are we at 46 yet? Are we at 48 yet? Oof. Almost. Yeah, if Bitcoin reverses, like we get a swing fill at that 118, I can see maybe like naked point of control grab up here. That's it. Like that line right here, that's a high time frame trend line. From August, I think. I know it looks like kind of ugly with all the extra indicators and stuff on here. That's where it came from. Can I reclaim that? That's not what I based my levels on. It just, that's the reason you see a trend line on my chart. You don't usually see that many of them. .48's a pretty important level. I think, you know, like the 49, 48, 49 is pretty important. 50 psychologically. And then our like consolidation up here, probably get, you know, a little bit of resistance at 52 if it makes it there. Just got to flip this. Danny, did you long the fuck out of this or what? He juicing, he's spreading the love, so I think that he is long as longer than the days are. $222 on the table? Yeah, I mean, 221 comes, then I think 222 could be coming next. Shout out to Michael Rose. Dokkan, let's go. Yeah, for real. MicroStrategy. Yeah. Yeah, they had their like weekly, monthly option, like whatever ones that those were, I think. And then they had to like save their quarterly for reporting. Well, I think Monday and early next week is going to be juicy. I think earnings season is going to be pretty interesting. We get a lot of juice. Is CPI next week? I think it is. Is it next Wednesday? $15th. So not next Wednesday. It's in 2 weeks from today. All right, that gives us time. That makes it closer to FOMC. So it's right in the middle. And the FOMC is on the 29th. Shout out to Damon. Isn't MicroStrategy insanely profitable? Good morning, No D Vito. Yeah, that's pretty good. I don't know, Yared. They got a jewelry store chain in America called Jared. And they have like all these commercials on TV and shit, and it's like, oh, he went to Jared. He went to Jared to get the ring for like getting engaged or whatever. It's like pretty funny. But that's what the all the Spanish people I say. They're like, he went to Jared. You feel me? Yeah, let's go, Jared. Y'all Red, how we doing? What do I think about XPL? I don't know, dude. We'll look at MicroStrategy. I'm gonna have to get out of here soon. Like 10 minutes ago. That's a selling channel. It looks like it's kind of trying to break out. It's like divs all over the place. It did not have like really that great of a retest, but I guess you could say for here, you can make the argument it's back above $1. It's starting to reclaim this zone. Can't like drop back below this really. Yeah, you want to hold $1. Yeah, you got a lot of liquidity all the way up. That's a big channel. That's what I was gonna draw. You in if anything, you short, you trying to figure out if you need to close a short, or you in a long, trying to look for a long. What you doing, bud? Yeah, maybe you get like a pullback and bounce off of that. A lot of people look at trend lines, I guess.
One chart open, no panic here. They want clout, but I want gear. Laptop piece, no noise near. We did juicing like it's ritual.
You just make the line fit your bias. That's the trick to trend lines. Yeah, I don't even like it as an hourly trend line, but it looks like kind of like a channel. Maybe 4 hour looks better. Ugh. It looks worse. It looks sad down here. Just hold $1. You're long? Yeah, it needs to hold $1. You in below or above? You take the reclaim? Yeah, if you got in below, I mean, you're already juicing like crazy. That was a nice move this morning. You take the reclaim here. In 95, 96. You probably want to hold that if it pulls back. Hold VWAP. What was I gonna look at? I need to check TradFi. We've been trading for an hour. I've been looking at shit coins. Oh, I was gonna look at strategy. Yeah, Bitcoin's juicing. We're going for it. Bitch quit playing with me. Get the tip. Gap fill, but not mine. Where is that?
Hit 'em with the D. If slay it like lasagna. KIMBA gang, this is the new saga.
I know this isn't gap fill, but not mine. But I just saw this song and I wanted to hear it. I don't know where it is. I see the next song I'm gonna play though. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, that's not really a single print. It's 15-minute close. I'm strong if you strong. You guys are hearing music, right? Exclamation Latuche to the balcony. Take your Latuche break. I'm actually fixing to sign off. Any last minute things? Coke, you need to see anything else? Would you like to see anything else? Danny. Maestro. You in that hype thing? I think you were talking about that one the other day. Dude, that clip was hilarious. Shout outs to you, brother. Bobby Toxic Pedals, shout outs to you. Thank you. Big cheers, Jedi's Kirk. Yeah, we got plans to the upside. You know, if CME claims 118.5, then 118.6 is probably on the table. These goddamn influencers, right? Yeah, look out for a swing fail. You need it? S and Poo. Yeah, not exactly. Looking juicy. 6760 on the table, 6800. There's no real like catalyst for bearishness. You know, they probably fire it off next week before people can buy back. You know, so the whole buyback period, then all the market makers can get back in at fucking cheap prices again. You know, kind of like the April one. It's just crazy how that is, how that happens, isn't it? Yeah, pretty much curvies. But ride their coattails. Just be ready. Yeah, maybe we get a clean and then like a good pullback. That would be somewhere to look for positions. Looking for some crumbs, yeah. Crumbs to them is juice to us. And then if you 200 exit, then it's real juice. Shout outs to the 200 Xers. Shout outs to the 886 and 914 and 926 boys. 886 gang, stand up. Retail life, yo. I'm strong if you strong. Latisse, let's go. Lordy. Lordy. I am very confident in my TA, and I do not go anywhere near even 100x. It's just a lifestyle and kind of emotional management thing. I'm not trying to be like glued to the chart while I'm sweating a 200x. It's sick if you juice on it though, right? You only do 1x, Jamaica. Boo Gamma's, the stream has been messed up earlier, and they're working on it. And even like my Boo Gammas from a different source were not working this morning. I think they're down. Kachoya. It is monthly open though. They're working again. You're juicing, Jamaica. Let's go. 10x to 40. Yeah, I'm like 3x to 25 maybe. Yeah, 1 to 10 BNB. Let's go. Yeah, it depends on the level of degeneracy that shitcoin has. Blink John, let's go. Welcome back. Let's go. Yep. You know who I am, right? Yeah, I mean 6,700 on normal S&P index. It's kind of obvious, isn't it? You got a gap above us. Is it going to swing fail that on the third attempt? It's going to turn it into support. Yeah, Mandalo. Yeah, shoutouts to you, Blink John. The Love Doctor. Shoutouts to you, Dick Flex. Only you can say something like that and I won't have a reply. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah, Jamaica. Yeah, real estate. That's my background and front ground. That's like, I've been doing real estate for 20 years. It's like a family thing for much longer than that. 75 years at least. Yeah, love real estate. I love it. I also love spending time with my family at home, and it's very, very difficult to do if you're on a bunch of like construction projects and stuff, to spend time with the family. It depends, Jamaica. It depends on what you're doing, but yeah, if you're like doing rentals, a lot of times, yeah. The write-outs are nice. The refinances are nice. Yeah, I was doing a little bit of everything in real estate. Not very much commercial, but everything else. Some building. Yeah, but I like KIMBA has a lot of different ventures. I also have multiple interests. You see that from a lot of people though, but like I'm just the type that when I find something I get interested in, I strive to master it. I can't say that I've mastered anything, but I strive for it. Yeah, that's just how I'm wired. So work hard, y'all. Work hard. Whatever it is that you're doing, just put all of your energy into it if it's important to you. Yeah, I mean, ones that are well reported and worth looking for. Jamaica, that is quite hard. Yeah, there's some of them. Yeah, value add is really a big thing. Oh yeah, I was gonna look at MicroStrategy. Speaking of boomer markets. Yeah, this is like pretty much the last thing that I'm gonna look at. We have our plans. Oh, it's in ETF Boltards. If you didn't catch that folder. Yeah, it's like juicy ass structure. It's got to be testnet. Yeah, they're going for that gap too. I mean, it looks almost the same locally to like CME Will it clean that when it closes the gap, or will it keep on going? Keep on going and clean this up. I could see something like that. That's juice from here. 380 is a long way away. Let's do one thing at a time, but that's a reclaim. Yeah, we lost it. Kind of failed below. If you're not seeing what I'm seeing. Kind of like lost this level. We actually gapped through it. And then gap back into it. Now let's get back outside. And probably somewhere around here. Like the 350. I didn't see the numbers. But structurally I was just like kind of approximating where the likely volume is. Yeah, from... Yeah, pretty close. Upper dotted line right at the top of the gap. You got this. I'm sure there's fibs. It's probably 7.5. I don't know, 7.86. You playing some MicroStrategy? Look at that pixel claim or pixel clean of the single print from April. That's pretty clean. Yeah, we're at the 7.5. Pretty juicy. Sharko Vallo. Yeah, insistence. Yeah, but the ones that are unable to continue, like they're too old, or there's no one there to really inherit it, they're probably not ones that you want to continue with. They're not set up well. It would be just disastrous books. It's difficult. Yeah, shout outs to rate cuts. It might make things easier for real estate. Yeah, we had a really good business going until COVID. It slowed things down a whole lot. Yeah, starting your own is a lot of risk. All right, I gotta get out of here. Yep, just keep working, keep learning, Jamaica. Let's go. Let's learn together. Adam, we're looking for a sweep or a reclaim of 118. If it pulls back, the 115 area is interesting. 115, 115.5. Yeah, the we went through it pretty thoroughly earlier, so you know if that little summary isn't really enough, like that's a bullish retest area, kind of cleans the single prints. I doubt it'll get all the way down there. It might only clean one single print if it even makes it that far. It's looking pretty juicy. If we get like, we're kind of talking about a potential front run of the swing fail with like the gap fill on CME, pulling back for a bullish retest and then taking it. You know, that's kind of the area of interest. If it pulls back for like a low time frame trade, it's not like the pixel bottom or like the generational long to me, but that would be an area to look for like a pullback. You know, kind of the inefficiency down here, like previous month point of control, VWAP, something like that. Yeah, the 115 to like 115.7 back here. And visibly, it's like kind of like a back test of the loss level that was reclaimed. But you get closes up over 118, watch for a failed auction, or watch for, you know, that same grinding structure we keep seeing. You know, it's just like, got that level, grind, 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 go. Build up all those shorts, and it did it like, I mean, it wasn't like that much shorts in, like if you're looking at XO. We did wreck a lot of shorts this morning. It was like 40 million or something. But it was a lot of longs that were TPing up here. Actually, it wasn't. Wait a second. Yeah, it was a lot of longs. It was almost 100 million in longs that TP'd. 75 million almost. The TP through this move yesterday and this morning. A little bit of that might have been from like the quarterly. No, that was after this morning. They weren't that confident in the move. Interesting. What happens when longs TP on coin margin? What do they have to do with it? They're just going to enter more? Are they going to use it to short with? What happens when the longs TP from coin margin contracts at highs? What can they do with it? Government shutdown? Maybe. They have the opportunity to dump their BTCs. The Bitcoins, Kachoi. Doesn't mean they will. See me swept it? Juicy. Making profits real. Bitcoin, S&P, correlation seal. I move with the squad. KIMBA gang for real. We ride in harmonics. Every move is chill. Months keep the order. Making sure we stay trill. Stack profits to the top. Pixels paid the bill. Bugatti dripping heavy while we count these mills. Anytime you call my line. Is that gap fill? No, not quite. In unadjusted? Adjusted, they did it. Yeah, being like the end of the month, or end of the quarter, beginning of the month, I'm having it adjusted. And the gap is not filled. Yeah, shout out to you there, brother. Insistence, you liking that? Here's the other categories. Just BTC, like a million. Shitcoins, port. KIMBA coins. K coins, like different places you can get it. More shitcoins. Yeah, I'm like really loving them all. I think I have like TardFi is one of them. Oh no, it's Stonks. It used to be TardFi, but I was like, oh, that's a little harsh. Yeah. Yeah. Classic. Shouts to you, Insistence. Let's go. Yeah, no Diabito. Big cheers. I'll catch you guys in the morning. Yeah, I think it's going to be juicy tomorrow morning. We're working on a few little things. A little surprise for you. So it could be a lot of fun. Make sure you're here. Keep your eyes on the... Yeah, I know. I mean, you got to enjoy it, right? Much love, Insistence. Yeah, keep your eye on the dashboards. Any updates? We got talent show tomorrow. We got some juice tomorrow morning. Yeah, I'm always staying like way longer and get myself in trouble at work. But yeah, y'all juice up. We have some plans. Cheers, Pedro. Cheers. Yeah, we got plans. We got levels. We got math. We got fibs. We got Latuche. Well, y'all do, maybe. And, yeah, we got PSG. We got the dashboard. We got CoinWise. Shoutouts. Yeah, we got lots of beautiful tools. Yeah, we got Calling Noob. We got the Discord. Exclamation Discord. Exclamation. Shoutouts PSG. Yeah, Damon. Stand up. Much love, y'all. All ears are labeled shitcoins. Yeah. Alright, let's see if this one works. Is it gonna work? I don't know if it's gonna play. You guys get any music? That's my old one.
KIMBA. If lions can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Nah. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey's just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom, lions trades gon' run. If lions can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Nah. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey's just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom, lions trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'.
Calling you, shout out to you. Jamaica, Lux Slayer, Luna Diabito, Alette, Insistent, Timberlion, Bravo, Damon, Buzz, Ludo, B001, Maestro, shout out to you, Insistent, let's go. Jamaica, Damon, Bobby Tyson Pedals, Adam, have a great day. Adam, you clear with the plan? Shouts to you, Wiztar, Damon, Burgix, Big Dog, Excognitive, cheers. Big cheers. Bravo, LC, Curvies. Yeah. Let's go, Big Dog. Shout out to you, brother. Big cheers. Thank you. Thank you. You need to say anything? I know I'm signing out, but you know that generosity can't go unnoticed. Big cheers to you, Juicin'. And big thank you to Danny and Coke Zero for the gifts this morning as well. For Calling Noob, for all the other resubs. We had Big Dog, Calling Noob. Welcome to Samu, Yared. Big shout outs to you. Oh, we had a little hype train this morning. I didn't even see that. I was so like juiced out. DC Doze. Let's go. Colexis. Shout outs Calling Noob. Shout outs Danny Balat. Shout outs to Coke Zero. Big cheers. Big cheers. Let's go. Y'all have a great day. Y'all have a great day. Juice up. Much love. Absolutely, Big Dog. Ace, big cheers. Much love. No Diabito, Glitch, Alette. The juice is the juice. The math is the math. If you don't set a stop loss, Sato gonna slap the shit out of you. Kachoya. Alright, much love. I'll catch you all tomorrow morning. If things go crazy, you might see me tonight, but otherwise, I'll catch you in the morning. Same time, same place. Big cheers. Taking profit, Latisse. Jamaica. Let's go. J. Becker, Latisse, Damon, Nitrogen, Wiztard. Let's go. Peace out, y'all.
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind.